Business leaders who know how to sell do not need a job. What they do is they go to the money tree, give it a bit of a shake, and then collect the cash which falls out of it. My name is Steve Wood. I'm a management consultant, and to help business leaders whose job it is to grow their business, to get in front of customers, to find and win sales, I've created a workshop to help through that process. It aims to help you avoid the tire kickers and time wasters, and it helps you spot the intellectual property thieves and those who actually want to take your time, effort and money without actually paying for it themselves. How are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use a workshop format. It's going to be either on the Zoom, 4 sessions of 2 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 4 weeks, or a full day session face-to-face in a location near you. Now, if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, look at the details below, sign up, and then you too can start to create your own roaring success.